Is your Subaru Ascent key fob not working? The most common cause is a dead battery. This video will guide you through replacing the battery in your 2019-2024 Ascent key fob, restoring functionality like remote locking, unlocking, and trunk release. Replacing the battery yourself is easy and saves money. The Subaru Ascent key fob uses a CR2032 coin cell battery. This is a standard 3-volt lithium battery that powers the fob's electronics for remote functions like locking and unlocking. The CR2032 is a coin-shaped lithium battery measuring 20 millimeters in diameter and 3.2 millimeters thick. It's a common size used in many electronic devices. CR2032 batteries are widely available at most drugstores, supermarkets, and online retailers. Subaru specifically recommends using Panasonic or Energizer brands for optimal performance and longevity in their key fobs. Important: avoid counterfeit batteries, as they can lead to premature failure, corrosion, or other issues with your key fob. Stick to reputable brands and ensure proper packaging. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or a coin to open the key fob. A soft cloth can also be helpful to prevent scratches on the key fob casing. That's it. No specialized tools are required for this simple task. Locate the seam on the back or side of your key fob. This is where the two halves of the plastic casing meet. Insert the flathead screwdriver or coin into the seam and gently pry the fob open. Be careful not to apply too much force, as you could damage the plastic casing. The fob should pop open with minimal effort. If it doesn't, double-check the seam location and try again gently. Once the fob is open, you'll see the CR2032 battery. Note the orientation of the battery. The positive plus side is usually facing up. Gently slide the old battery out of its compartment. You may need to use the screwdriver or coin to carefully dislodge it. Insert the new CR2032 battery into the compartment, ensuring the correct polarity with the positive side up. The battery should snap into place. Double-check that it's securely seated. Snap the key fob back together, ensuring that the two halves are firmly connected. Test the functionality of the fob by pressing the buttons near your Subaru Ascent. Check the remote lock-unlock, panic alarm, and trunk release functions to ensure they're working correctly. If your key fob still doesn't work after replacing the battery, here are some troubleshooting steps and important considerations to keep in mind. First, if the key fob still doesn't work, try cleaning the battery contacts with a cotton swab to remove any corrosion or dirt that might interfere with the connection. In some cases, the key fob may need to be reprogrammed after battery replacement to prevent synchronization errors. Use the Subaru Starlink app or visit a dealer, particularly for newer models. Cold weather affects battery performance, leading to faster depletion. Consider using a high-quality CR2032 battery like Panasonic or Energizer brands, and avoid counterfeit batteries that could cause premature failure. Remember to use clean, dry hands during replacement to prevent moisture damage, and perform proactive battery checks during routine maintenance to avoid issues.